Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable pom-pom bunny craft kit. So we'll start by taking our yarn and finding the end and wrapping it around 2 fingers. We're going to use all of the yarn and wrap it completely. Once we make it to the end of our yarn, we'll pull about 4 inches that are left and snip that off to use to tie off the pom-pom. Next, we'll slide that wrapped yarn off of our fingers and tie this piece of yarn right around the center. I would use 2 or 3 knots to make sure it's really secure because that's what's holding the pom-pom together. So once we have it knotted, we'll take our scissors and begin snipping all of the looped yarn all the way around. You just don't want to cut the string that you use to tie because then the whole thing will fall apart. Try your best to get every loop. It'll create a super smooth finish. Once we have it cut the whole way around, you can take your scissors and even out the shape of the pom-pom, make it fit more like a circle, and trim all of the longer pieces of yarn. Shaping this takes a little bit of patience. You kind of want to make sure you have all the edges and keep rotating it in your hand to make sure you're not cutting too much off of one side. So it'll take a little bit of time, but it's worth it. Once we're done with that, we're going to have this nice, clean pom-pom sphere. Now we'll move on to the next step. We're going to take our pieces of felt and create the cute little feet. So we'll take our tan pieces and then cut an oval out, and we'll do that 2 times. These are going to be their feet. Then we'll take our sticky pink and cut out tiny little toes. Once we have that, we'll take the little piece of backing off of it. This may take a little bit because they're small. And then we'll stick them on in kind of the arrangement of a foot. Once we have those, they're all ready to be glued on. So we'll take our pot and add our stuffing to it, our little dirt. Then we can plant our carrot inside. You can glue this down for it to be a little bit more secure. Then we'll add our pom-pom and take some hot glue on the back of our feet and add it to the rim of the pot. Oh, so cute. Now we're almost done. We're going to take our little pom-pom tail and glue it on, and there you have it, a cute little diggin' bunny. Thanks for watching.